Reggae Vibes family. This is Sarita and I'm at Long Story Short at the Lot. And I am with Geo Sax. I just watched him perform and he's very good. He's very, very good. I think he had the crowd up and going and singing along and everything like that. But you said quite a few things on stage as well. I heard you say 6 to 7 years to get as good as you are. What has that experience been like for you?
I wouldn't say it's just a talent or a time span of how to get better at my craft, but it's a gift. You know, I feel like it's a gift. It's natural to me. So even performance-wise, I don't have to sit and rehearse or sit and structure my performance. I just work from the heart and what the people are feeling. And I try to feed off the crowd's energy. And based off the crowd's energy, you know, I just stick with that and try to use that as an ingredient to, you know, give the people what they want. And for the past, I started off with Nigel Poel, that's Asafa Poel's brother. He was my first music director. And I went on to Jeffrey Brown, my second music director, the leader of Blazing Genesis band. And then I said, you know, I want to switch from studying marine biology and go to Edna. And I just put down the science, I just put down everything for marine biology, and I just do strictly music. And I choose what came from the heart, you know, to just perform and let people feel free, let people feel happy, at peace, listening to some soothing music from the saxophone.
What is your favorite genre of music to perform? You did rock and roll, you did reggae. What is your favorite?
That's a sticky question as a musician. I love to perform reggae, you know, it's my culture. I love to perform souls. I always have a strong point in performing souls music. You know, the people love the love feeling from the saxophone. The people love the soft and, you know, melodic feeling from the saxophone. So I think soul more gravitate to the crowd for me. Yeah, I love to perform soul.
How can people find you? How can they get in touch with you?
They can get in touch with me on Instagram at Taquane Bowen. It's TAQUANE _Bowen BOWEN. You can link me on Instagram, and then I can give them a number from there. Yeah.
What kind of events do you usually perform at? Do you just do shows, or you do like private events, parties, weddings?
I do various of events, weddings, corporate events, you know, cocktail hours, birthday parties, you name it, whatever you want Geo Sax for, I'll be there, you know, to just give it the strength musically.
I know you say you don't put a lot, like a whole heap of practice and stuff into your performance because you're playing from the heart. But I think that with the instrument that you play in particular, you need to have a certain level of fitness. What kind of training do you go through to keep up the energy for your performances?
Oh wow, I play basketball, as I can see. Yeah, very tall. So I play basketball. I try my best to play basketball every Sunday, you know, so that I can just start off my week energetic and so forth. I try to take a lot of vitamins because playing the saxophone, it takes a lot of internal strength in terms of like respiratory breathing and so forth. So I have to eat healthy. I have to take my vitamins, you know, and I play basketball every Sunday, so that's it for me physically.
The theme for Long Story Short tonight is don't take it personal. Have you ever had an opportunity like that where in your career as a musician where you had to sit back and say, you know, I can't take this personal, I have to just spill?
Starting out in the career of music, sometime when you just get like a big corporate event and you meet with some big engineers and some big people in the industry, you know, sometimes I started off young. So I started off from high school with Nigel Poel. And you know, you step in at the venue, them see as a high school student, them start rough you up on stage. I remember an event I did with Dale Harris at Emancipation Park with Sagicor, with Scotia. They always do it every year. And the engineers were like, "Oh no, come do this, come here," so and them a shout off away. And in that moment, I feel like little down, you know. I feel like this corporate thing not gonna work for me, this music thing not gonna work for me. But you know, at that age, I had to just tell myself, so, it's what I love, you know, and I can't let whatever the engineer said to me in that moment destroy what I'm going to do next. Because at the end of the day, when I perform, and all the credit is going to give in to me and not the engineer, so I have to like take that into consideration and say, no, I'm not taking no disrespect for the engineer, and him have to sort out my sound, I'm have to perform. So that's the whole movement.
That's pretty good. I mean, it must take a lot of courage at that young age to do that. Did you have a lot of support to make that switch from marine biology to music? I mean, that's not a popular decision.
Support. I get a lot of support from my mother, especially. Just a short story. I have a mentally ill father. From I was about 4 years old, he was mentally ill. So that parenting structure, you know, I had it hard. But I use it to just strengthen. So whatever you hear me perform and the feeling of the music, you know, whatever I've gone through, I just express that. And I was trying, I can do sciences because I have my subject, I can do sciences. But like, it became a point in my life where when my father was mentally ill, I break down. And breaking down drawed me to music. And when I pick up the saxophone, I started playing. And when I started playing, like this one person, Ashley Henry, best friend, she told me that I have a purpose. And that one word of she telling me that I have a purpose. Right there and then, I dropped all sciences and I picked up the music and I just worked with what's from my heart. So even though I didn't know how my career would went or so forth, it's just from my heart. Yeah, so that's
well, thank you for sharing with us. I really wish you all the best. I mean, they are looking out for you to do more things and for you to put out an album. Have you thought about doing that?
Yes, album of course, you know. I'm currently at Edna, you know, working on certain things that I need to get done, you know. I'm doing a performance degree. So as soon as everything clear up, I think you will get some covers next year. So we are working on some covers on some albums and so forth. And you will hear more from Geo Sax. Alright, so again, you can find me on Instagram, Taquane Bowen, TAQUANE _BOWEN. And yeah, you can get me for any event from there.
Take care and all the best, right?
All the best.
Alright, bye.
Thank